Introduction. Hello and welcome back to our TallyPrime tutorial series. In this video, we're going to show you how to create a company in TallyPrime. Creating a company is the first step in setting up your financial management system, so let's get started.
So we are going to create a company using TallyPrime. This is the icon, TallyPrime icon. So what we do, we double click on it so that the application opens. When the application opens, we give it some few seconds. Give it some few seconds to open. So when it opens, since I already have a company here, you escape once, go to the home page. So this is how your first page will look like if you've never created any company. So what we shall do is to click here on create company, then enter. When you enter, this is the page you will go to. It will give you options to create company name. So here you enter your company name, assuming my company name is Hasa. Share motivated. Then here mailing name, it automatically picks the name. Here if you have an address, you can put any address, say Entebbe. Yeah, then you enter. State, if you have a state, if you're in a state, you can put a state. But for now, let's use not applicable. Yeah, so our country is not India. Let us use Uganda. Yeah, PIN code. Here you can put the telephone number. Here mobile number. So you fill in these details accordingly. If you have an email, actually email address is very important. Let me put one phone number here. 0753517508. That's my number. You can call me anytime. So here I can put my email address, Brian Hasa here at gmail.com. Yeah, so make sure you use a correct email address. If you have a website, you put the website. So here you select the financial year. Your financial year begins from which month and ends in which month. Assuming it starts from, this one is automatically set from 1st July 2022. Then books beginning the same date. Yeah, let me modify this to 1st March 2023 to, okay, let me use January here. 1st January 23 to 31st December 23, like that. So when you enter, it will take you to base currency. Here you select the currency you're going to use. If it is USD, you use USD. If it's UGX, you use UGX, which means Ugandan shillings. So when you're done filling in these details, just enter to save, or you click on accept here. You click on accept. Yeah. So when you select accept, it will save the information that you have entered, like that. Don't worry about this. So it says company created successfully. So now the next step is to access your company info. So since we have successfully created the company, when we go back to the home page, This is our company. To check the details of the company, you come to F3 here, company. Then if you want to make any changes, you come to alter company. If you want to close the company, you come to shut company. If you want to select the company, you select here. So if you want to create another one, you still come here. So if we are to make changes in the company, assuming we've not added some few things, just enter and come back to the other page that we modified. So after making changes, you enter to save. So our company is here. So that's how we create a company. Yeah.
Conclusion. And that's it. You've successfully created a company in Tally Prime. Creating a company is the first step in setting up your financial management system, and it's important to enter accurate and complete information. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through the process. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Tally Prime tutorials. Thanks for watching.